We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
Hello, everyone. How y'all doing on this nice, beautiful day? Today we're making sautéed squash, zucchini, and onions, y'all. Yes, and here are our ingredients. Our ingredients are some fresh zucchinis and squash, sliced onions, black pepper, onion powder, salt, and a half a stick of butter. Okay, y'all, let's get to making our sauteed squash, zucchini, and onions. Okay, first of all, we're going to slice up our squash and zucchini. Just cut off both ends and then get to slicing. You can slice these as thin or thick as you prefer. I like mine slightly thick, but make this recipe yours. Okay, here in our skillet, we are melting our half a stick of butter. We are melting it on a medium heat because we don't want our butter to burn. Here we are adding all our vegetables to our skillet because our butter is all melted. To me, this is such a delicious dish, and it's right in time for summertime because you can get these just fresh from the garden. Some people, plant these and oh my gosh, and they are so good. And so you can go to the farmer's market or wherever and purchase these, or even at the grocery store. And I just wanted to share this little recipe. Next, we are adding in our sliced onions, and you can put as many as you prefer. I didn't put as many as some people may like, but letting you know if you don't want squash in there, just use zucchini. And if you don't want zucchini, just use squash and onions, or you don't want onions at all. Just make this recipe the way you want it, okay? And if you don't like the sliced onions, just use onion powder and it will still be delicious. Here we're waiting on our vegetables to start steaming so we can start the sauteing process. Here we're adding in a little water. I'm only adding maybe a half a cup of water, not a whole lot because we want these to saute. And so I just put that in there to keep it from sticking and to, so it will be able to saute better. Here we're sprinkling in a little salt, onion powder, and black pepper. Sometimes it's very hard for me to pinpoint the amount of ingredients. I maybe put like a tablespoon of onion powder in there and maybe a half a tablespoon of black pepper. So like I say, it all depends on how you like yours and how much you want to use. Now we are mixing our seasonings into our vegetables, and while we are sauteing them, they're going to go through and through as you continue to flip over and we want our vegetables to cook evenly, so we have to keep sauteing them. Just use a spatula or whatever you have to saute these and until they get to the doneness that you want. Most of the time what I do, I stir mine maybe every 30 seconds or so. And that way I'm steady looking at the vegetables and on how they are cooking. And so that's what you do. You don't really leave this skillet. You just continue to, just saute them. Sometimes I use a lid, and the lid will help steam your vegetables. And even though you're using your lid, time to time you go back and check on your vegetables, and just use your spatula and just mix them through and through until you get the doneness that you're looking for, or the tenderness that you're looking for. It all depends on. Sometimes I cook mine, where they are just limp, and then sometimes I want them to hold their shape. But it's up to you the way you want yours. This is the way I'm cooking these because this is the way my husband prefer his. He want his to hold its shape, and so I don't cook them as long. So just make this recipe yours, and it is a very, very good recipe. And I hope y'all enjoy this. I'm cooking these on a medium heat. I'm not trying to cook these too fast because we want these to, the flavor to go all through them, and we don't want them to burn. So just take your time and saute these. Other thing, don't forget to taste. Always taste your food to see if it's the texture you want, or it has enough salt and seasonings in it. And so I'm tasting. I did add just a little more salt, but the tenderness is there, and it's seasoned like I want it. Now it's time for me to steam out some of the liquid that's in the bottom, because I don't want all that liquid. So what I do, this is what I do. I turn my heat up and to steam some of that liquid out, and then we're good to go. I have tasted this squash and zucchini once more, and everything tastes delicious. So what I'm doing now, I'm placing it in a serving bowl until I cook the meat that I'm gonna serve along with this. As y'all can see, the vegetables are holding their shapes, and so this is what I'm looking for. If you want yours more tender, cook them longer. But this is the way I wanted mine on today. So make this recipe yours, and you can serve this along with any type of meat or another vegetable. I want to know, what would you serve with your sauteed squash and zucchini? I love the feedback that y'all give me. I'm just a little nosy because sometimes I want ideas of what I can serve along with mine. Okay, I'm going to finish boiling this up, and then I'm going to be back with our final result. Okay, y'all, this is our final result. I decided to share with y'all my pork chops and my sauteed squash, zucchini, and onions meal on today. I hope y'all enjoyed cooking with me as much as I always enjoy cooking with you all. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell to get our new and upcoming videos. And to all our new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to our channel. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say y'all have a blessed day, and bye-bye for now. Love y'all. Stay safe and be blessed. And remember to share a smile with somebody, because somebody really needs one. Okay? Be blessed, everyone.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda D. So welcome from Miss Brenda D and her family.
That's a hit.